In this video guys, I will be sharing with you some ways which you can redeem your Avion rewards points. So you're going to sign into the Avion mobile app. On the redeems menu at the bottom of the screen here, select redeems, and then you'll see the various ways that you can redeem your points. So let's say we select Apple, select an option to continue, and then it will take you to the Apple Store where you can shop. As you can see, it's showing me my Avion rewards points at the top of the Apple Store. So let's go back to the app again. When you scroll down, you could redeem your points by also paying bills, send an e-transfer, or pay down a credit card. And that's pretty much it. So that's it for now guys. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.